Okay, time for another quick review and a rideability review at the same time. So I'm always looking for new gadgets, things to put on my bike that nobody else has, or very few. So I came across a windshield by Madstad Engineering, and it's different than the other ones that I've had. Now I've had and still own a few different Clockworks, different sizes. I have Memphis Shades and Freedom Shield, stock Harley Windshield, and it's hard to find that happy medium, the one where it looks cool and stops the buffeting and the wind in your face. Now when I went from a road glide to a street glide, it's a little harder on doing 100 miles per hour on the turnpike or whatever, because the amount of buffeting and wind hits your face. So anyway, I wanted to check this out. I couldn't find a single video on YouTube about this, about the install or how it looks or anything. So I reached out to Madstad, and they sent me one to review and keep. Honest review. I don't get paid for this or anything like that. So it comes in a size 9, 11, and 13 inch. Clear, medium gray, or dark gray. I got the 13-inch dark gray. Comes in pretty much every Harley model, plus a bunch of other bikes. And it's adjustable, which the other ones aren't. So if I didn't say that, it is adjustable. So anyway, let's go put it on a bike. Let's take it for a ride, and let's see what you think. And what do you think of this shirt? I like pissing people off. Anyway, let's go take it for a ride. All right, that's the Madstad windshield. Now I have it adjusted all the way down, I believe. I can push it further up. I get no wind at all for this, so I just want to do a quick ride around with this and see how it looks. So we get something to eat. Just also install the target tune with the dyno vision, which is there. I want to make sure the numbers are good on that.
time here in South Florida. It's like 61 degrees, and to us that's freezing. That's why I'm wearing this jacket. But it's a refreshing change, I'll tell you that much. Getting out of this community is a pain in the ass, all these speed bumps. I get gas too. Haven't had gas in a while. Probably should have cleaned my helmet too, a little dusty. I never wear a full size, full face helmet. So anyway, as you can see, this is what it looks like. I tell you the truth, I mean, it comes with different tints, like I think 3 different shades. I don't know what this guy is doing here. Oh my God, he's gonna stop there, really? Idiot. So a realtor cost me this intersection. So anyway, that's what it looks like, as you can see. And well, let's see how it holds up. Like I said, I could adjust it up and get rid of some of that wind, but let's see what happens when I open it up right now. Everybody's riding in this weather. 60 degrees to us is winter, like I said, but it's a beautiful thing. That I had this jacket on is cold out. Replacement surgery back on October 27th. This is now December 31st. So basically 2 months ago I had a total shoulder replacement. And this is really the first time I'm riding my bike. Like I said, I did I got rid of my Thunder Max and I put a dyno tune in there. I'm sorry, dyno jet and the dyno jet target tune. First time really riding it. It was a rough ride at first. The tune they sent me really wasn't good. But you're watching this for the windshield. So anyway, I've had every windshield, I think. I have like 3 different clockworks on this bike, 3 different on my last, 4 different on my last. I've tried the Memphis Shades. I've tried the Freedom Shield. The stock Harley, which I don't know how anybody rides with it. Alright, maybe it looks cool to have like a 2-inch windshield, but it's not practical. Now going from a road glide to a street glide, you need the extra protection. The road glide protects you a little bit more, especially on the highway. You're doing 100 or 75, whatever you do. You want that little extra protection for the wind. Get rid of that buffeting a little bit. So no way am I sticking with the Harley stock shield windshield. I do like the Clockworks, but to tell you the truth, I think this might be my new favorite shield. And I haven't taken it on the highway yet, but let's see what happens when I do. I mean, I'm not probably doing that today. I don't have time, but I can tell you one thing: I like the way it looks. It kind of looks, it's different. Looks kind of secure. I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna ride this for a few more minutes. You keep me company. Bike's still running a little rough. I gotta wait for the target tune to kick in. The idle's a little low, I think. I may have to do some playing around with that. But one of the best, off topic again, one of the best upgrades I ever did was the Recluse auto clutch. My hand's not on the clutch, and I'm in first gear basically. So what's great about that is somebody comes up flying behind me, I can just give it the gas and go. It's very safe, and it's a hell of a lot better when you're in bumper to bumper traffic, you know, and you know, you want to give your clutch hand a break. That's a good thing. I also have the soft brake clutch on here, which is a reduced angle clutch, which is a lot better too. So there's a couple upgrades you might want to consider. Back to the windshield. I'm not feeling anything on the wind. This guy's got a fucking next to me has to not want to let me in. Probably a cop. So anyway, that's it pretty much. I'm gonna keep talking for a little bit. You can tune out if you want. I'm gonna go over at the end of this ride. I'm gonna go over the just a real quick overview of it. Installing it's not hard at all. The instructions need some work because there's no pictures really, and the picture doesn't really make it clear. So this is, as far as I know, the first video on this, on the install. And price isn't bad. I would definitely look into this. What a freaking day to ride. This is beautiful. Definitely got to fix this this idle. It's too low. Not the good thing about it comes with this Wind PV, Wind Power Vision software, so I could adjust the idle from that. I think that's the next step. Anyway, that's it. I'm just gonna keep this rolling for now, and I'll go over the overview of the windshield when I stop. Okay, again, I took it for a ride. I didn't feel any real buffeting, but I didn't go on a highway. I got up to around 60 or so, and it felt great. Take one final look at it. Again, this is fully angled back. I can angle it up this way and probably block more wind, but I don't need it. I forgot the actual size. I'll put it in the comments. But basically, that's what it looks like put together. You got your two screws that rotate back and forth, but you can't do when you're moving. 4 bolts hold it in. You know, it's pretty sturdy. I mean, excuse the dirty bike, but Madstad. So that's my quick review on Madstad. I think it's a good option compared to what's out there. Clockworks may look a little cooler, but this one, I think it's got a cool of its own. So check it out. I'll put a link in the comments. Till then, ride safe.